Hi, welcome to Julia's Broderies videos. And if you remember last month, we did a stitch called feather stitch. You can see it here in the light pink. Today we're going to do a double feather. So it's similar to that one, except we're going to go in two directions. So I've done little dots on the fabric so you can see clearly where I'm stitching. So just like last time, you're going to make up and down like that to make a loop on the surface. Come up underneath. So it's sort of like a triangle, and then catch that loop, and that's created your first loop. Then you go over. So that at the moment this is exactly the same as we did last month, sorry. Catch it like that, and we're going to do it 3 times. Come up here. So now you've got 3. Now we're going to go to the other side. And we're going to do exactly the same thing on this side. We're going to go twice this way. Hopefully I don't run out of thread before we get there. I'm using 2 strands to make this, but you could make it finer and use 1 strand. So then we're going to go back to this side. See how it pulls it down as you go. And this would be really nice for foliage, children's clothes. I think it's been used a lot for edging and doing different designs on that, which is very nice, I think. And you could, of course, alternate one side and the other instead of going multiple times each way if you preferred. It's quite a versatile stitch. And then we're going to go to this side again. So you're always doing 3 one side, 2 the other. And as I said, it's called a double feather stitch. As you can see, this one was the regular feather stitch in the middle there. I'll just do these last couple so you can see how to finish off. Because I'm running out of space, I'm just going to do 2 on this side instead of 3. To finish off, you're just going to go down underneath there like that. So you've got the pattern that goes back and forth. So that's your double feather. Hope you've enjoyed this video.